Today, I'm going to show you how to assemble your Flare photo booth. It's a straightforward setup, so let's get started. First, we're going to open up the case. Inside, you'll find your base plate, a side mount printer shelf, a head unit, and if you purchase the DSLR version, your camera flash will be here. Lastly, you'll have your top and bottom columns. We're going to begin with the base plate. Now, if you're planning to use a printer, you'll want to attach the bottom column to the farthest slot, ensuring it's off-center. Let's line that up. There we go. Once your column is aligned and flush with the base plate, you can tighten the two thumb screws. These screws are designed to stay in place, so you won't lose them, just tighten them until they're snug. Now let's attach the top column to the bottom column like so. Make sure to clear all wires that could get pinched when mounting the column. Make sure these alignment tabs are seated. Properly now to your left, you'll see a latch. Just lift up the latch so you can hook onto the top column hook like so. Then presses down like this. Do the same thing on the opposite side. Now that the base plate and columns are mounted, we can proceed to mount the head unit. Manage the wires to prevent them from getting pinched when mounting the head unit. Simply slide the head unit onto the top column like this. To your left, you'll see black thumb screws. These will lock the head unit in place. Tighten them snugly by turning them clockwise to secure the head unit in place. The printer shelf consists of two items, the shelf and the support bracket. Let's start by mount the support bracket to the bottom slot hole. Then grab the printer shelf and mount it to the upper slot hole. Lift the printer shelf and the support bracket up like so. Loosen the wing nut so you can slide the support bracket like this. Tighten the wing nuts and you're done. Now that your booth is fully assembled, let's connect all the cables together. Start by connecting the DC power cable. Second, if you did get the direct printing option, you'll get a female USB-A extension port. Connect the female USB to the male USB. If you have the LED column model below, you'll see the LED remote that controls the light on the front column. Right here, you'll see a built-in battery compartment. If you did get the battery, this is where you insert the battery. You'll notice another DC connector plug. This is where you connect the battery. Make sure to use the output port of the battery. Moving down below, find the male and female USB-A extension and connect them together. All right, now let's find the AC power plug from the top column and connect it to the provided power strip below. Plug in the other cord to any available outlet. Once everything is all connected, plug in the printer and connect the power cord directly to the booth outlet. Get the USB printer cable, connect it to the printer, and connect the other end directly to the Printio USB cord. Once all wires are connected, you can tuck the wires into the compartment for a clean look. Once Flare is all set up, Test if your printer is working properly by going to the browser and go to the website printio.local. You should see your printer name pop up and do a test print. Thanks so much for joining us for this photo booth setup guide. We hope you found these steps easy to follow and are excited to start capturing amazing memories.